My name's William Watkins, and Radnor Hills has been producing soft drinks and mineral water here for about the last 30 years. We developed the business out of a farming business. It was a true farming diversification, and now it's rather larger than the original farm. Well, here in mid Wales, it's quite unlikely you're just going to drop on all the skills you need, so you have to be prepared in rural areas to invest in your people. Food Skills Cymru are lots of different help, and it's been an extremely positive experience for us. Being nominated for the Lantra Cymru Awards is fantastic for us as a business. We're very committed to training our staff, and this is a kind of recognition of that.